How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can remove background in Inkscape. So first things first, import your image to the project, click on it, click on path, and then select trace bitmap. From here, you just want to adjust the threshold in order to highlight the silhouette of the image itself. So in my case, I'm fine with this one. Let's click on update preview and apply. From there, click path, click break apart, path again, and then click on union. Now here comes the easy part. Just make sure that you're in the selector tool. Hold the shift button and then you want to select the traced bitmap, and same thing with the image. So this two will be selected. Right click on it, click on set clip, and then here we have it. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.